When you come to Broccolo, one of the first things I say is, I know you have experience, but Broccolo does things a lot differently around here.
Lori Broccolo started this company 34 years ago. And ever since day one, we have stood apart because sustainability has always been our goal here at Broccolo. We have focused on things like stormwater runoff. We have installed green roofs at Cornell University, here in Irondequoit, just last year in the city at Fredrick Douglas Library. And in any circumstance where we're doing a plant installation, even if it's a rain garden or if it's just somebody that wants color in their yard, we're going to focus on native plants.
Broccolo challenges the status quo in the landscaping industry, not only because it's good for the environment, but it also makes good sense for your pocketbook. Native plants require less care. Once they're established, they don't need as much water, which means your water bill is going down.
It is refreshing that now when the phone rings, you will hear people use the word native and pollinator and, ask about native caterpillars, which you would never have heard anybody say 10 or 15 years ago. So we've been setting those standards, I think, for a long time before people even really knew about environmental practices.